Hi, today for a review OPPO A16S and I'll show you how to connect the Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi we should click to the Wi-Fi switcher, and if you wanna use one from these available networks, let's just select it. Here we should click to enter our password. And after that, if you want to see the password, you should click to this eye icon, then click on the right upper corner to the done, and now we can see that our device can successfully connected to this network. As you can see, we can say use here a couple of networks. Just enter the passwords, tap to connect, and after that just you'll see them here in saved networks list. Just if you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here on this Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just open notification panel shortcuts. Here on the left upper corner you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. To activate or to turn off the Wi-Fi we should tap on the switcher, and if you want to launch the Wi-Fi settings you should just hold it for a while. Also you can just do it by this way, and now by the same way select the network, enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.